In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image overlay using div blocks. Whether you're designing a sleek portfolio page or just want to add some flair to your project, knowing how to effectively layer elements can make a big difference. So let's dive right into the steps and get your image overlay set up with ease. First, you'll want to structure your elements. Start by adding a div block to your canvas. This is going to be your image wrapper, essentially the container that will hold and frame your image, as well as the overlay. Once you've got your div block in place, go ahead and place an image element inside this new div. This image will serve as the base layer of your design. With the image now sitting snugly in its div wrapper, you'll need to add another div block inside the wrapper. This new div block should be placed on top of the image within the hierarchy. Essentially, think of this div block as your overlay. It's going to be the semi-transparent layer that sits over your image, offering you that sleek overlay effect. Now, let's move on to styling the wrapper. Click on your wrapper div. It's the first one you created. Over in the Style panel, head to the Position section. Here, you'll want to set the position to relative. This step is crucial because setting the wrapper to relative ensures that any elements placed inside it, like your overlay, can position themselves correctly. Without this, your overlay might not sit atop the image the way you intend. Next, let's shift focus to styling the overlay. Select the second div block, your overlay. Back over in the Style panel, under the Position section, set this div to absolute. Setting it to absolute allows your overlay to be positioned relative to the nearest positioned ancestor, which in this case is your image wrapper. Be sure to set the position to full or manually set the top, bottom, left, and right properties all to 0. This configuration will make the overlay span the entire wrapper, covering the image beneath it. To make the overlay truly stand out, adjust the background color and set the opacity to your desired level. A 50% opacity, which translates to a 0.5 opacity value, is a popular choice for a soft, see-through effect that lets your image subtly shine through. Optionally, you can set a z-index to 1 or any value that's higher than the image's z-index to ensure the overlay sits clearly on top of the image. And there you have it. You've successfully created a visually appealing image overlay using div blocks. By mastering the layering of elements with div blocks, you can enhance your design's depth and functionality. Practice this technique, try different settings, and soon you'll be adding beautifully styled overlays across your projects effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.